Housing prices are stable and inventory is still low. Do you want to know what else is happening right here in the Southwest Florida real estate market? Well, that's what we're talking about on this video. What's up, everybody? I'm Robert.Woessner, a local realtor right here in Southwest Florida. If this is your first on my channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, and the real estate market, this is the channel you need to subscribe to. So hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Market resiliency fuels home sales in August. Inventory is selling quickly and prices are stable in the Naples housing market. Closed sales of homes in Naples during August increased 17% compared to July's closed sales and 1.9% to 702 closed sales from 689 closed sales back in August of 22. I am confident sales during the second half of 2003 could outperform sales during the second half of 2022 unless we have another major disaster like a hurricane. Another promising factor that supports this expectation is the steady rate of new listings, which increased 2.6% in August and contributed to the 7.2% increase in inventory for the month. Prospective buyers continue to be drawn to Florida's lifestyle, climate, and job opportunities. Persistently higher mortgage rates and a restricted for-sale inventory are hampering sales activity. However, our housing prices continue to stabilize and interest rates hopefully moderate. We expect conditions to return to a more balanced market with more options for buyers and sellers. Last month, closed sales of existing single-family homes statewide totaled 22,917, and that's down from 7.9% back in August of 2022, while existing condo townhouse sales totaled 9,279, and that's down 7.2% from the same time a year ago. Mortgage interest rates continue to be the most dominant factor in sales trends here in Florida as well as the United States. So the continued year-over-year declines we're seeing in closed sales are really not that surprising. This summer, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate was in the neighborhood of 7% compared to between 5 and 5.5% last summer. The average long-term U.S. mortgage rate edged up again this week, another setback for would-be homebuyers navigating an increasingly less affordable housing market. The average rate on the benchmark 30-year home loan rose to 7.19% from 7.18% last week. A year ago, the rate was 6.29%. High rates can add hundreds of dollars to monthly costs for borrowers, limiting how much they can afford in a market already unaffordable to many Americans. They also discourage homeowners who are locked into the low rates the last 2 years from selling their homes. Supply may loosen up some as we head into the end of the year, but prospective homebuyers waiting for mortgage rates to come down should expect no major relief until next year. The weekly average rate on a 30-year mortgage remained above 7% since August, surging 4 weeks ago to 7.23%, which was a 22-year high. Mortgage rates have been echoing moves in the 10-year Treasury yield, which lenders use as a guide to pricing loans. The yield has been climbing amid expectations that the Federal Reserve will keep short-term interest rates higher for longer to fight inflation. As a result, applications for a mortgage to purchase a home dropped 5% for the week and were 30% lower than the same week 1 year ago. Buyer demand stood at the lowest level since December of 1995. Potential buyers are dealing not only with high interest rates and high prices, but extremely low supply. The available homes on the market at the end of July were close to quarter-century lows, according to the National Association of Realtors. I see the top of the last economic cycle occurring in the first quarter of 2022. This is when 18 months of rapid appreciation in most market sectors came to a halt. Historically, a period of correction follows a market peak. However, in most market areas, property values remain stable or have returned to long-term historical trend of 8% per year appreciation. I am searching daily for evidence of widespread market decline, but I have yet to find it. Back here in Southwest Florida, the median closed price in August increased 5.2% to $605,000, and that's up from $575,000 back in August of 2022. Though according to the August report, activity in the condominium market fueled many of the increases reported. As such, there was a 7.7% increase in the median closed price in the condominium market compared to a 2.2% decrease in the median closed price for single-family home market. Florida's statewide median sales price for single-family existing homes in August was $415,000, and that's up 2% from the same month a year ago, while the statewide median price for condo townhouse units was $324,000, and that's up 6.2% over the month of August of 2022 figure. The median is the midpoint, or half the homes sold for more and half the homes sold for less. These elevated levels of home prices continue to offset the impact of lower levels of sales when it comes to dollar volume, which is calculated as the total combined sale value of all home transactions during each month. August dollar volume of closed existing single-family sales in Florida was about $13.2 billion. That's down 4.4% compared to last August. However, dollar volume has been much closer to 2021 and 2022 levels so far this year, compared to before the pandemic in 2019. Year to date, though, August, single-family dollar volume in Florida has been about $104 billion, compared to about $69 billion during the same 8-month period in 2019. When are we going to finally get some inventory in this market? Well, if you're looking for a condominium, listings increased 10.1% compared to a 3% decrease in single-family home listings and a 25.5% increase in condominium inventory compared to a 3.7% decrease in single-family home inventory. So the inventory's picking up in the condo market and still going down in the single family market. Let's take a look statewide, and on the supply side of the market, single family existing homes ticked up slightly to reach a 3-month supply level during August, while condo townhouse properties rose to 3.8% months of supply. Typically one of the slower months for activity, August showings decreased 19% to 21,269 showings from 26,191 showings in August of 22, which might also explain the 9.4% decrease in pending sales in August to 811 from 895 back in August 2022. Days on market have been hovering around 50 since December of 2022. Before the pandemic, it was 90 to 100 days. But for August, the report showed 54 days on the market compared to 31 days on the market in August of 2022. Even in a time of economic volatility and uncertainty, Florida still provides benefits as a tax haven compared to other states with high taxation rates and cost of living rates. Sellers waiting until winter to list their house may miss out on buyers who want to purchase a home before the end of the year, before the anticipated rate hikes continue. If the housing market's activities continues to perform at the same steady rate we've enjoyed so far this year, and current market conditions show it has potential to do that, then it's likely that homeowners could enjoy a 7% increase in home value by the end of the year. The fact that properties didn't lose value during a year after a major hurricane will only strengthen the desirability of future home ownership right here in Southwest Florida. Thank you so much for watching my monthly real estate market update video. If you're even thinking about making a move here to Southwest Florida, make sure you take the first step. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, however you want to get in touch with me. I have the systems and processes dialed down to make the transaction as smooth and easy as possible. I have your back when buying or selling property right here in Southwest Florida.